Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Limitless Flyers. We also welcome you guys in the first lesson of Spanish series #fun. In this lesson, we are going to tell you Spanish alphabets. So guys, all you are ready? Let's start!
In Spanish, A is pronounced as A. Árbol, tree. Amigo, friend. Agua, water. In Spanish, B is pronounced as B. Barco, boat. Burro, donkey. Bebe, baby. In Spanish, C is pronounced as se. Cama, bed. Casa, house. Cameo, camel. In Spanish, D is pronounced as de. Dedo, finger. Dos, two. Diamante, diamond. In Spanish, E is pronounced as A. Estrella, star. Escoba, broom. Elefante, elephant. In Spanish, F is pronounced as Fa. Fuego, fire. Floor, flower. Fresa, strawberry. In Spanish, G is pronounced as hey. Gato, cat. Guante, glove. Globo, globe. In Spanish, H is pronounced as H. Helado, ice cream. Helicóptero, helicopter. Hospital, hospital. In Spanish, I is pronounced as E. Iman, magnet. Isla, island. Igloo, igloo. In Spanish, J is pronounced as Jota. Jirafa, giraffe. Jugo, juice. Jaula, cage. In Spanish, K is pronounced as Ka. Curdo, curd. Kiwi, kiwi. Karate, karate. In Spanish, L is pronounced as LA. Luna, moon. Libro, book. Leon, lion. In Spanish, M is pronounced as MA. Mano, hand. Mesa, table. Manzana, apple. In Spanish, N is pronounced as NA. Nube, cloud. Naris, nose. Narana, orange. It is pronounced as NA. Nina, girl. Niño, boy. Ñandu, Rhea. In Spanish, O is pronounced as O. Oso, beer. Ola, wave. Océano, ocean. In Spanish, P is pronounced as pe. Pan, bread. Percha, hanger. Pastel, cake. In Spanish, Q is pronounced as Q. Queso, cheese. 15, 15. 500, 500. In Spanish, R is pronounced as array. Raton, mouse. Ropa, clothes. Regalo, gift. In Spanish, S is pronounced as essay. Sombrero, hat. Silla, chair. Serpiente, snake. In Spanish, T is pronounced as te. Teléfono, telephone. Taza, cup. Tomate, tomato. In Spanish, U is pronounced as U. Uvas, grapes. Uno, one. Uña, nail. In Spanish, V is pronounced as be. Vaca, cow. Vaso, glass. Ventana, window. In Spanish, W is pronounced as doble B. Water polo, water polo. Windsurf, windsurf. Whiskey, whiskey. In Spanish, X is pronounced as X. Xylophone, xylophone. Xenophobia, xenophobia. Xenon, xenon. In Spanish, Y is pronounced as Y. Yo-yo, yo-yo. Yate, yacht. Yarda, yard. In Spanish, Z is pronounced as seta. Zapato, shoe. Zorro, fox. Zanahoria, carrot.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N E O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Guys, we hope you all enjoy this video. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our video and give suggestions in comment section if you want any changes in future videos.